up, Elko family? Welcome to vlog 37. This week, I got back into the swing of things. Last week kind of sucked, I know, but since I kind of missed a couple weeks, there's a lot to fill in. So it's gonna go kind of quick in the beginning, and then you'll get caught up to what's going on right now. And yeah, there's some interesting things in the works. Kind of touched all my projects, finished a couple, and got some new ones again. You know me. So yeah, watch the video and hit the subscribe button, do all that fun shit, and grab a t-shirt or something. It's getting nice out. But yeah, let's get into the video. All right, after a bunch of wiring, I think I'm good now. Look at that. I don't do too much or else they'll copyright me for that Alan Jackson, but I got some music in here now. Without the Elko actually about to burn down if I got the radio on. So yeah, super hype about that. Got the CD box down here like it's the 90s still. Got a whole bunch of tunes in there. Super excited to play some of this later this year.
Later.
All right, working on the Montgomery's carb this morning. I'm gonna take the old one back apart, get that little float pin out of there, swap it back over here real quick. Shouldn't take but a minute, so yeah, I'll be back in just a second. I didn't record it, but I got it hooked back up most of the way. And the float pin did work, swapping it back, so good there. The Montgomery still doesn't have any spark, and I still really haven't messed with either mower too much more since the weather's been kind of cold and rainy off and on. But I promise I will be back to them hopefully this week. Lost a little motivation to work on the mower, so I decided to clean up the property since it looked like crap from the winter. And the boys been cooped up, so you know I had to take them outside and get that first swim in of the season. Cause man, they have been bugging the hell out of me being in the house so much. And then for quite a few days, I was searching for cars to get, like this Grand Prix or this Lincoln. There's a few other ones too, but you know, couldn't make a deal happen.
God damn it, same shit, different day.
Well, it's been raining on and off today. Still about to go to the auction, probably get fucking soaked. But I'm gonna go look at another Hoopty because I desperately need a new daily. And yeah, I'm gonna go look at this Hoopty because I need it. If it's working good enough, probably gonna buy it. It looks like it just needs brake lines and whatnot. Doesn't look all that great, but whatever. It's a 90s truck, 90s Chevy. As long as it does the job, I'll be hyped because I'm working on getting a car hauler so I can haul the Elko to a bunch of these shows in the next couple months. So we'll see what happens with that. I'm gonna pay attention so I don't die out here because it's starting to rain pretty hard now. Finally made it to the auction lot, and I kind of like this thing more than I thought. Had the 454 in it. It was looking good overall, just had no brake lines. So yeah, I was planning on bidding on it, which I did. But, ooh, man.
Eventually.
So I had noticed that my exhaust was a bit louder than normal, and yeah, those old welds that I did were pretty shitty and cracked, so I had to go back in and fix those up just so it sounded a bit better. Well, that would explain all the noise. Gotta redo all of this shit. So now I think it's time for a new exhaust all the way back.
You think?
Wasn't gonna do that yet, but it's looking like it's time because I can't weld.
You're going nothing.
That sounds way better. With that kind of fixed up, immediately went out for a cruise. earlier I was just yapping about how much better it felt and the audio cut out. But then I got back to the crib, had a warm-ish day, so decided to get those leaves cleaned up in the rest of the yard, and then it was time to finally finish the trailer, and boy, that was actually kind of a breeze. Cut the boards out and got the bolts put in, and it was time to get that thing gone.
You talking still make thousands? Yeah. Before you say something.
2,000 years later.
It's not that way, but it is that way.
Why did you do it?
Because I thought it was an awesome tattoo and I wanted it.
Yeah, so I basically started taking that off before I even made it home. But yeah, this is the new daily. Alright, I'm a cool 45 minutes into my drive home, and so far so good. I mean, I got dropped into another Hoopty, so I don't know all of its Hoopty sounds and shit, but there's some things that are concerning, and they're probably not that worrisome, but I don't know. Still cruising. Looking good in the 90s gear. It's gonna clean up nice in here besides the dash. I need a whole new dash if I want to do that, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep this covered with that, maybe glue it down so it looks a little bit nicer, but I don't know. What do y'all think? It's only got 122,000 miles on it.
DadPiff.com world premiere.
Gold jaws and salines. Bitch been on them things, carried herself like a queen who could support a king. All very well, run the castle by her damn self. With a little more than you'll be perfect, let these hands help. That stash wealth got me moving with a sense of sureness. Women are a lord of this, like a swordfish swimming in this gorgeous mist. In the middle of November, 5 in the morning, parked in the lot at the Staples Center, hitting in plain sight. She domed me up while I was on the phone, wrapping up some business, booking a flight. That type you put on your wish list. Them bitches you scared to get with, cause you know she come up with hustlers' pockets deeper than your shit, bro. Nigga like me, she been waiting for, or where I got paper.
But it didn't stay clean for very long. Already putting the truck to work. Well, I need to switch that out, and it's not going very well. Not bad. Heat's blasting. My leg! Suspension's working. Check engine light came on though. I'm used to that, I guess. Just had to make sure the turd could haul something. So ideally, I'm working my way up to a car hauler to tow the Elko to shows further from the crib. But I need to make some more moves happen so that I can get the trailer and a couple other things I want to get in parts and yada yada. But I'm going to make it happen, don't worry. Alright, I'm about to drop off this trailer to the guy that's buying it, so might as well have it ready. And off goes my trailer. Super high. Just got this little pressure washer. The carb's all gunked up, but I did get it to start by spraying some shit in the air filter. So yeah, about to pop that carb off, and I think I got me a nice little pressure washer with the Honda motor. My bad, y'all. I have been terrible about recording this process, but I took the carb apart and cleaned it, and now she should work. Gotta get the water hooked up so that I don't destroy it, but watch. Alright, there we go. Now I gotta see if it'll spray something. Alright, was almost about to get it going. But now I need to find a little adapter for this side because this line won't fit into that. And it had this little quick connect on it, which was kind of fire, but at the same time, that still didn't work. So I gotta go find another part. So I'm gonna head to the parts store around the corner.
Right.
I be in my own world, so I lied. It's Easter Sunday. Ain't nobody open. So tomorrow. Well, it's low-key still kind of cold out, but I went and got all the oil and filters for the Toyota, the Dodge, and the Elko. So oil change day is today. I'll be doing that for a little bit here in just a minute. But first, Culver's, because I'm starving. All right, what's up, you guys? Stupid Toyota. Got this goofy plastic cover anyway, so. Knocked her oil change out, and of course it started to snow as soon as I wanted to do mine, but it only did it for a couple minutes and I finished it. Ooh, I definitely should have shaved before I left the house today, but f it. On the way to go make this thing legal, so let's go get a plate on it so we can use it.
Something's wrong with her. I checked this morning, and there was water in the exhaust.
All right, it's going down today. So I lost oil pressure, so that wasn't good. And then I also ran into the dipstick problem, and we're about to fix that right now with baby drill, little screw, and hopefully pull that thing out of there in just a second. Well, cool, didn't even need to get the screw in there. Good to go now. With the dipstick issue fixed, it was time to go check underneath those valve covers because I was kind of concerned. But getting there. Dipstick problem was fixed. I'll get a new dipstick ordered and that'll get solved. And yeah, I found some new headers online that I'm probably gonna switch in the future. But you know, almost everything I've done to the Elko, I'm gonna end up doing to this too. Make this a proper rig for towing the Elko and whatever else I gotta do. All right, y'all are getting the same reaction I am right now. Let's see how bad everything's looking in here. I guess I might have to pop off some of these connections real quick. Didn't really want to, but it probably would make my life a hell of a lot easier. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned till next week to see if it was a big problem or a big and kind of good surprise. You guys probably already know what it is, but yeah, stay tuned. See y'all next week. Love y'all, Elko family. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.